Lawn care website templates with Divi. Explore 3 exceptional templates perfect for elevating your lawn care business online. 2 premium choices and 1 fantastic free option. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the first website available in the Divi marketplace. Here we find an array of lawn care template websites. Let's dive into one by clicking the live demo. As you can see, this template offers a clean, professional layout designed to captivate and engage your clients. Every element is meticulously crafted to ensure your services stand out. This premium template comes at a cost of $39. If it suits your needs, you can easily purchase it for implementation. Moving on, let's check out the next option on divilover.com. We'll click on the demo package to preview the website in action. Notice the vibrant design, intuitive navigation, and extensive customization options, making it perfect for any lawn care business looking to enhance their digital footprint. This impressive template is available for €55, a worthwhile investment for those seeking a unique look. Lastly, we have a fantastic free template. Let's click on the demo page to explore its offerings. Despite being free, this template doesn't compromise on quality, providing a sleek design with essential features to help get your website up and running quickly. Now let's try deploying this free template on WordPress. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Once on the WordPress dashboard, go ahead and click Pages, then select Add New Page. Next, click on Use Divi Builder, and then choose the Choose a Pre-Made Layout option. In the search bar, type Lawn. Look here, the landscape maintenance layout is available and it's free if you've downloaded the Divi theme. Let's open this layout up and click Use this demo. Let's give it a moment to load, and there you have it. You can now edit this Divi template using the Divi theme. That's it.